So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Scraping 1.0. Today we're gonna scrape some teams from and players with their images from the NBA website. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open our DevTools. Here we have the console where we can run JavaScript. So we're gonna use these in combination with some of the tools that are given to us to get um, to get the information. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the team names, with their logos. So in order to get the names, we copy the selector, paste it here, and here we can see that it has an end child, right? This end child is the one that makes sure it's the first element. So we're gonna delete that in order to get all of them. And here we have query selector all. And there you go. Now we have all the elements. The in order to actually get the information, we need to apply an array for, because this is a node list, not actually an array, so map doesn't work on it. And then we have to extract the information. So inner, yes. And there we go. Now this way we have now our whole list with the different names of the teams. Now I didn't save it anywhere because first it's better to do it this way in order to try different selectors, try different properties, to see if the actual result is what you want, and then we can save it down. So let's save it as const NBA teams. Names, because actually we're gonna pack also the images. So we're gonna save these ones and we're gonna use them later. Now for the images. So we go in here. We again get the selector. We put it in here. Array from document query selector all. This is an array. We have to delete the end child, so it brings everyone and not only a specific one. And then we can close the array from, and then we do the same thing, but this time we're gonna get the source. And there's the source. So we're gonna save it as NBA teams. Let's do that. Some out of it. NBA teams images. This is actually an array from. So we check this is all right, and we save it. Let me verify. Yeah, here we have it. So here we have 3 elements, and here we have 3 elements too. Okay. Now, with the names, let's cross with the names. Yeah, 30 and 30. That's perfect. No. Now we're gonna zip both of them. No. We're gonna go with NBA teams names dot map. And here we're gonna have our name and our index. So we're gonna use the name because we want to return an object. So it's gonna have the team name and it's gonna have its image. As we are not operating on top of the image, we're gonna go NBA teams images and we're gonna get the index. In this case, it works because both of the lists are taken from the same place. So this way we can zip this information. So let's see if it works. An unexpected token. Okay, oh yeah, we are missing image in order to get the whole object. We add these parentheses here in order for it to detect it as an object and not as a function. No, this is not a block, this is an actual object that I want you to return in the map. So we get these 3 elements. So we have the Atlanta Hawks, No? And their image, Boston Celtics, their image, and Brooklyn Nets and their image. And finally, we can do copy and oh, we didn't save it somewhere. But we can click the up arrow to use our last command. So const NBA teams gonna be equal to this. Check that the information is right. Looks perfect. And so we do copy NBA teams. No? With this, now we have it in our clipboard. So for example, if we wanted to JSON lecture, just to have a place where we can see it, and here we have it. Here's our JSON. No? This way, we can simply get some information from a website, no? And take it wherever we want. Obviously, if we have more properties we want to take that are available as text or in a different column or something like that, we have to repeat this process. And at the end, we can wrap it all up in a single map, as I showed you. So this is scraping 0, and that's it for now. Stop recording.